Earlier today, Governor Jeff Landry was in Bossier City to promote self-sufficiency for Louisiana.
During his stop, Landry also signed a package deal of bills in the process.
And KSLA's Peyton Manuel was here in studio to break down what you missed today.
There were multiple bills that Landry signed. What will this mean, Peyton?
That's right, guys. A part of Landry's package deal of his bills, he's pushing to make Louisiana move from dependence to independence with his new legislation.
Isn't it a great day to be in Louisiana, I'm telling you?
It was a packed house as Governor Jeff Landry introduced his Dependence to Independence plan during his news conference in Bossier City, his plan to promote more self-sufficiency throughout Louisiana. Landry discussed the efforts made by Louisiana's DOGE team to reduce what he calls fraud in Medicaid and SNAP benefits. According to Landry, this is the first time communication and collaboration existed between the state and White House DOGE teams.
We immediately, when the president instituted a DOGE program, we immediately wanted to engage with them to be able to reconcile the records so that we're taking people who are deceased off the rolls before it costs us more money. We're making sure that people who are receiving benefits far in the state actually live in the state.
Landry says that with this advantage, he guarantees the amount of savings will pile up to hundreds of millions of dollars by the end of the year. But some people think differently.
Kind of interesting in that there was this effort to make government work better and save money and the like, and yet the state's budget actually ended up being 6% higher than it was last year. So
during the conference, Landry also took the time to sign multiple bills. Collectively, the newly signed laws will keep state policies away from expansive government programs, prioritizing taxpayers in the process. The bills are aimed at helping residents move from public assistance straight into the workforce.
We want to consolidate those programs to give individuals one door. That's why we call it the one door policy, to give them a place under which they can either virtually or physically go through one door and be able to gain the access necessary to access those programs and emphasize the work requirements that we're placing on them as well.
The new laws are expected to go into effect in the next coming months. Reporting live in studio, Peyton Manuel, KSLA News 12.